Hey everybody, so what we have here is a quick 2-minute video on how to remove your climate control from a NBS style '07 to '13 Silverado and Sierra. It's the style with the two glove boxes, upper and lower on the right hand side. Um, but first off, don't forget to like and subscribe, helps the channel out greatly. Check the link below to my store. So this panel that I'm pointing at right here, it just pops off. And it'd be nice if you had like a plastic actually pry tool. I'll put a link for that. I have a screwdriver because that's all I had that day. But I start on the right hand side, right in the middle, and it pops the two right side clips, and then I follow the opening all the way on top because it pops the top clips. They pretty much pop off super easy. I'm sure, when they're brittle, you might have to be a little bit more careful. What I'm pointing at here is two 7 millimeter screws. So you just pop these screws out, and that will release the climate control. There's little slide tabs on the top. They pretty much just slide down. You don't have to worry about those tabs too much. You've got three. You got three plugs on the back side: the white, black, and brown. You just pop those off like a normal plug. You push the tabs down and pull it right off. Sometimes they're a little sticky, but yep. So you take those off, and these buttons get worn. I fix the buttons. I bench test these so in my store. And I put videos of the test if you need a climate control, an OEM one. But yeah, that's it right there. Really, got to check your OEM numbers and make sure you're getting the same. But to put it back in, you just go in reverse, plug the connectors in, slide it up in like that, put the screws in, and pop that back on with them clips that I'm pointing at right now. But yeah, super easy. You can do it. Thanks for watching.